Hi there, this is my lock, and this fairly hefty little lock is a Commando. It's feels like a decent tough lock. A fair bit of weight to it, and with those curved edges, it's quite a pretty laminated lock. We've got good bitting, some lows at the front and some high lifts at the back. So we will we'll need this tensioner. We'll go for top of the keyway. I'm gonna have to there we go. I'll need to use the long end to make sure I'm clearing those rivets, and I'm going to pick it with the custom lockpick from Joe Pick's Locksport, who also provided the lock in a recent trade. There'll be a link to Joe's channel up here in the corner and down in the description. If you're not already a subscriber to Joe Pick's Locksport, please go and do that. And yeah, so let's get picking. So deep hook all the way to the back. And working our way forward. Oh, and on pin. Two, click on 2, 3, 5 is springy. 5 feels ready now. Click on 5 and we get that open. So yeah, nice lock, ball bearing mechanism, dead core, and dead shackle. And I mean, not a hugely, oh sorry, glare, not a hugely difficult lock, but by no means the worst lock I've ever picked. There's definitely some decent spools in there. I've encountered a decent false set from there before. So there we go, the Commando. So cheers for that, Joe. It's another lovely American lock to add to my collection. And you know, just again, just locks that we just don't get access to over here very often. So I'm happy to add these two to my little collection of American locks. So that's those two down, and I don't even know where to start with this. Multi-lock Junior, pin and pin, but I will give this one a go over the next little while and see if I can't get an open from it. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.